friends, it's Liz with Liz Attempts Budgets, and we are here today to do a penny stuffing. It is going to be a very large amount, or much larger than it normally is, because I have been very lax. I have done no videos for the last several weeks. I actually had done one and got all the stuff that didn't need to be in it edited out, and then I never uploaded it, and I probably won't. So mostly because the last couple of months have been pretty depressing on my end, just because things are so tight that there really isn't anything that is interesting enough to share. So I have been very lax, but I'm going to try and get back into it. We're going to try and get back on track completely with my budget and saving up. So let's go ahead and get started. I am going to speed the video up while I get all of my change from my wallet organized, and I will be right back. Our bag, I need to set that somewhere. Let's go ahead and count everything up. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yeah, $16. So plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, $18. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 cents. So $34.10.
Go ahead and put my stuff in the jars, get it out of the way.
Okay, so those are out of the way. Let's go ahead, pull our stuff over, and I'm gonna try and get this to where I can see everything, and then scooch you in so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so we are $34. What? It's 34.1, right? Oh, I'm gonna have to stop, look back at this video because something has happened to my calculator. So hold on just one moment. I will be right back. Okay, I am back. I probably really should start writing this down instead of just leaving it on the calculator, but it is $34.10 that we are working with today, and we are going to go ahead and start at $2.97. So I am going to put that over so I don't get any transfer on myself. It will still probably happen, but we can try to prevent it, right? All right, so minus 2.96 minus 2.95 minus 2.94 93 All right, we have completed a row. So we're done with this color. We're gonna go in with this color, I believe, or close enough. It's close enough. Okay, so that's probably not dry enough and it's gonna smear, but it's okay. So 1643 minus 2.91 okay, minus 2.9 minus 2.89 and minus 2.88 okay, so then minus 2.87 okay, so that is it for our normal marking. We are going to have 198, which is out of order, so this is the marker I've been using for that. Let this dry for a second. Okay, so back to our penny challenge. I need to mark off $1.98. All right. So that is the total of today's penny challenge. Sorry I missed so many weeks. Hopefully I am going to be better about it. And I do apologize if you've been listening to the wind blow. I don't know if you can hear it on the camera, but the wind is blowing significantly hard here today. So it might sound like it as well. Anyway, I will see you in the next video. Thanks for being here with me. Bye.